Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Before moving to video, do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Today we will learn about household chores vocabulary. Clean house, cut the grass, wash the dishes, do laundry, dust the house, feed the dog, fold the laundry, iron the clothes, mop the floor, paint the house, rake the leaves, do cooking, take out the rubbish, vacuum the floor, clean the window, wash the car, water the plants, walk in the garden. Hit the bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.